Hello, and in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a proposal started on the Dash blockchain. So this is in a series. If you haven't seen the other videos, check in the link below. This is a series of how I'm going to show you very quickly, very easily, how you can get a Dash proposal on chain. This is the Dash proposal on chain section. So basically, we discussed in our last video, in case you haven't seen it, link is in the description, how to put together a discussion with the community. Once you've got that discussion done with the community, your next step is to put forward your proposal actually in the forum. So this is your actual proposal. I made some changes from the original discussion and I took some feedback on board. I upped the fee and I also included some other information and some other links within the proposal. But none of that really matters. The purpose is I want to explain to you how to put a proposal on chain. Now you need two things, and this video comes in two parts. First of all, you need to use this tool, which is nicely given to us by the masternode mnowatch.org website, and this will help you to create a proposal. However, and this is probably the most difficult part about it, you also need to have the core wallet running and up to date. Now, to sync the core wallet on a decent laptop, which you'll need about 50 gigabytes of storage space, and it generally will take you about 24 hours or at least overnight for you to download and install this core blockchain wallet for Dash. Once that's all done and you're at this stage and you've had your discussions, this is what you need to do. First of all, you go here, you go to mnowatch.org proposal generator. I will put a link to this in the description. You put in your proposal name. In this case, it's DAO tutorials. You put in a URL. Now, the URL will be the address of your actual proposal, not your pre-proposal, your actual proposal. So my actual proposal is here. So I'll just copy that. I'll go here and I will post that in there. The number of payments is 1. The amount is 30. Payment address. Now for this, I've used a wallet, which there is also a video to show you how to set this up, but this is the My Dash wallet. So you go into your My Dash wallet, you open it up, you type in your password. And this is the address I will be using. Which is here. So you copy this address. This is the address that you want to get paid out to. You can use your core wallet address if you want to. I personally would use the My Dash wallet so that once you put the proposal in, if you have no more need for the core wallet, you can get rid of it. If you use a core wallet, the problem is that you then have to constantly use only the core wallet. With this, you get your words, and you can use different services to actually restore your wallet. So for me personally, I think this is the better way. You may want to keep everything on the core wallet. I wouldn't suggest it. I would suggest you use My Dash wallet. Anyway, once you've got that, you put that address in here. That's the payment address. Make sure that your first payment date is the upcoming date. You can set it for a date in the future. Each one of these are super blocks. Every super block is an opportunity for you to get paid. So what's it saying is that 30 Dash will be paid if the proposal passes on the 26th of September. Neither here nor there. You then click Create Proposal, and this is what you will receive. What you then do is you then copy this, and you then head over to your core wallet. Now, I'm going to do this on a completely separate machine because good etiquette, let's say, will suggest that you don't do your crypto business on the same business that you record videos and you surf the web and all of that sort of stuff. So we're going to go over to my crypto machine, and for the first time ever, really, we're going to do some recording on there. And I want to show you the last step of how to put this proposal together. So you just take this. This won't have any access to any funds or anything like that. So you don't really have to worry about this being in any public place. It doesn't really matter. There is some guide here on how to complete the process. So let's go over to the crypto computer. Right. So here we are within. Now is to make our way. You'll be presented with something like this when you open Dash Wallet. You then need to make your way by going to Window and down to Console, and then you'll get this console screen pop up. You then go down to this bottom part here, and you simply paste the information that the proposal generator gave us. And make sure, one small thing is to make sure that you have over 1 Dash. I've got 1.1 to pay for fees, but make sure you've got over 1 Dash. You then paste that information into here on the console, and you then press enter. And once this is done, your next step is to modify this piece of information which you got from the preparation site. The best way to do that is to put that into a text document. You then want to change from prepare to submit. And you also want to add at the end this transaction hash. So there's the transaction hash. You then want to add this to the end. Make sure to leave 1 space and then add the transaction hash. You then copy the entire thing, go back into the console, paste it all out, and press enter. You will then be given your last hash, which is known as the anchor hash. This is the anchor hash. Once the proposal has been put in, after about 20 to 30 minutes, you can add a governance tab to your core wallet just to make sure that it's gone through. You can do this by going into settings, options, wallet, and then click to show governance tab. When you do this, it's going to require a restart. So you just have to close your wallet and reopen it. Once you've closed and reopened your wallet, which I will not do now, you will get this governance tab up here. You can click that and you should see your proposal somewhere in the mix. So there's my proposal there. It's active and it needs 364 more votes. The next thing we're going to do is actually go and have a look at how we can sign up to Dash Central to make sure that the people there know that we are serious about our proposal. So head over to dashcentral.org. I will put the link in the description and then sign in. If you don't have an account, you have to first of all sign up. I, of course, already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. Complete this little captcha down here. Sign myself in. Then if we go to budget, we'll click on there, and then we click on claim proposal ownership. So all we have to do, what we need to do is choose the address for verification. You can either use the proposal payout address or we can use the proposal fee address. We will use the fee address. Access the wallet, which is our core wallet, and then we're going to sign a message. So we're going to go back into our wallet, we're going to file, sign message. We're going to enter the message to be signed, but we also need to enter the address. Let's get this here. And put the address in there, like that. and then we click on sign message, and then we generate a signature. So what we do is we just copy that signature. Yeah, and just do it this way to make sure that it's done. We then get back to our screen and enter the signature here. You can then click claim proposal ownership. Click the black back button to start editing, title. Edit proposal. Title should be DAO tutorials, and the description should be the same as what we have in forums. So what we'll do is we'll quickly go to the forums. We shall find our proposal from the forums. We'll ignore that. And let's like this. We won't include all the, well, actually we will include the links. So make sure you, if you do have links in your proposal, what you have to do if you have links in your forum post, what you have to do is click on edit and copy from here. So that way all of the paste. That way all of the links stay. And that is it. Once you've done that, just click on save. Those have changed. I think there we have it. Now, if we go back to the budget, we should see DAO tutorials by Cryptosi. Just give it a little upvote. Why not? It's your proposal. You want engagement. And there you have it. So the proposal's in. It's now showing on Dash Central, and we've now taken charge of it. And that is pretty much all you need to do. In the next video, I will show you how to promote your proposal and what you need to do in the time during the voting phase for your proposal. But as it stands, your proposal is in, you've signed your message, all of the good stuff has happened. Now you just have to try and hope your proposal gets passed.